Hey there, welcome back guys. We're going to show you how to start your Avata when the ground is basically too high, when you have grass everywhere and you can't land it. So basically this turns into a weed whacker. This is the Avata right here. All right, so what you want to do is you have your controller, right, and the drone. Double tap the orange button 2 times, the propellers started. Now you hold it down until it beeps. As soon as it beeps, you let go of the button, and then voila, the drone will take off. See that? Hold on, I'll just bring it up a little bit so you can see. And there we have it. Let's see. And now, that is pretty much how you land and take the drone off. Now, when you can't see it's on the grass and you want to bring it in, you can't land it, right? So remember, to land it, I'm just going to bring it in a little bit more. Right about there. So you get the drone to where you want it. Let's say I want it right about there. Bring it down a little bit so we can get it in frame. All right, and then you just grab it. Don't be shy. Just grab the drone from the top and flip it over. And that's it. So start it up, hold it down, let go. You wait for the drone to push up. And that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you and you're better able to land your drone and take off in areas where the ground isn't completely flat. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below, or ideas for other videos. And I'll see you all next time.